Okay, today in our yoga retreat in Costa Rica, I learned this very powerful breathing method. It's called Wim Hoff method, which is the person who developed the method. And the classical, there are different types to it, but the classical Wim Hof method is you breathe through your mouth for 4 seconds. You breathe in and you start from breathing from your belly through your chest and through your mind. And you do this for 4 seconds breathing in and 8 seconds exhaling and breathing out. But you don't force exhale because you don't want to contract your belly muscles. And then you do this for 20 breathing in, breathing out, and you do 3 rounds of that. Best time to do this is early in the morning before you eat breakfast or before you have anything in your belly. If afterwards you do a cold shower, and that completes your breathing exercise. And you do this every morning. It takes about 15 minutes. You do this every morning. And if you have aches and pains, let's say you have backaches, you breathe in again through your mouth 4 seconds. But then when you breathe out forcefully and think about the part that is hurting, and you make the sound. So you go breathe in 4 seconds, start from belly, chest, mind, and then you breathe out with the ah sound. So it's like like that. And then the other thing that we learned was another method. So this was the classic one. Another method that you can also experience with and see if that one works for you. You breathe in for 4 seconds, you hold your breath for 10 seconds, and then you breathe out for 8 seconds. And then you hold your breath for 10 seconds. So there are different varieties, and you have to see which one works for you. And best way to do this is to lay down and have a blindfold on your eyes. And best time again, early morning before you have eaten anything.